couldn't wait for it. Running out of pain storage, we was made for it. Now we getting paid for it. Ayy, upstairs with the champagne pouring. It's just different when it's a self-made story. And I know I got more to prove, I wasn't born to lose. I can't do mediocre, gotta be go to prove. I'ma tell you to walk in them, but you can't afford the shoes. Settle if you wanna, but I gotta be go to prove. Oh, I don't really stress over pressure, I think big. Who am I if I don't take it further than Nip did? Had dreams of being the owner since this big. Gotta set the bar even higher and switch gears. We don't do this shit for the prize, we affect lives. Gotta put that shit to the side, like what's pride? We gon' live forever, cause never respect dies. You ain't gotta like it, but better respect mine.